tongue say sweeter than honey bee. A joke baby, I eat everybody sit down and a breathe. That joke can't sleep from young a town to a country.
Life I feel live, and thanks I forgive. Life I feel live, life I feel live. Everything shall, everything parallel. Kill a book. If you don't live your life, then who am going to eat for you? All life you live, we live it up now. We can't speak for you. Everyone make a feel like with me, and you know, I saw me to eat it.
Boy, these look good though, like you're ready for Valentines. Jesus. Oh, Lord God. What? What kind of thing? You just ease yourself now, man. When you move, you know, some man proper fix your get up to you.
Baby, but remember say Valentine's Day and Valentine's someone special day.
So me not get special? So,
baby, me not thought that the special day.
what kind of special? What kind of special?
Me not go eat this something, baby.
Eat what? With something. Let me no eat. Look how much time me eat. Me eat left and me eat right. What more eat you want me eat up? You want me eat up?
Baby, come on now. Is this something what every girl dream of? What every girl want their man to eat?
You dream too much, you so have wet dream. What kind of dream you talk about? You have wet dream?
Baby, just eat this something now. Please make me feel special.
Me a go do it special, me not eating anything. Me eat right and me eat left. Where you want me eat? Up?
Alright, whatever. We don't talk with you.
Yo!
Bloody hell, mate.
Who you?
I'm your subconscious, man.
So you look like a
Yeah,
so?
man. You got to eat the pineapple, man.
Subconscious.
Bloody hell, mate. You fool or what? See?
So you say?
Today's Valentine's Day, and if you don't eat the pineapple,
Eat pineapple?
yeah, you're gonna
Don't
lose
you get pineapple in the night,
Valentine's Day. You're the only nigga not eating pineapple, man.
On your backside, what kind of pineapple? Then if me eat pineapple, me not go full like a prince pine. See pineapple, eh? See pineapple, so when me feel eat the pineapple, me go and eat the pineapple, no problem.
Lad, I'm not talking the pineapple, man. I'm talking the bitch that you gotta eat it, and if you don't eat it, man, you're gonna lose that for the Valentine's Day. And I'm telling
you
you,
left out of my house, you know. And that me I tell you, no, cause me know, you know. And you have full up head with be foolishness, you know. I tell her about eat this and eat that, you know. You better leave out of my house, you know. That me I tell you, no, blood. But bloody hell, mate. Left out of my place, and that me I tell you.
I'm telling you, you're the only Jamaican nigga not eating the pineapple, you know. And if you don't eat the pineapple, today is Valentine's Day, and I guarantee you're gonna lose it. I'm telling you, you need it. You need it.